Welcome to Crypto 101, a comprehensive introduction to the world of cryptocurrencies. The link leads you to a playlist of free courses I put together. I'm not claiming to have created the information. This information is free public information that was collected on xrpl.org. I've simply put these courses in an audio version with some video to go along with the course. The courses are broken down into 20-minute or less segments. They are listed with an order, but any order is okay. Feel free to watch them as many times as you want. I only ask you to like and subscribe if you find these helpful. In this free course, we'll explore the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, including what they are, how they work, and why they matter. You'll learn about the history of Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies, as well as the underlying blockchain technology that powers them. We'll cover topics such as wallets, exchanges, and security, so you can confidently navigate the crypto landscape. You'll also learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies, from utility tokens to stablecoins, and understand the potential investment opportunities they present. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some knowledge of cryptocurrencies, this course is designed to be accessible and informative. I've put together a series of engaging videos and resources to help you grasp the key concepts and stay up to date with the latest developments in the crypto space. I hope you enjoy the course and find it useful in your journey towards understanding and potentially participating in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Let's get started!